Hello and welcome to the new series of Drishti IAS. I'm Ritu and today's session is about forest report. So amid various climatic change, it's very important to have a discussion on forest condition of this country because whenever we are in any climatic complications, we always reminded of forest and trees. So this session is important for your GS 3 perspective. Moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we'll have a brief background about the forest report, then we'll discuss the overview and findings of the forest report, and then practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this GIS channel. Moving towards the news part. So the news is that recently there was a release of forest survey, and this is the latest edition of the forest survey, which is India Forest Report, what you can say 2023. And who releases it? So it is released by the Union Ministry of Environment and Forest, and this particular report was founded in 1981. Before that, we have this pre-investment survey of forest resources, which was a project initiated in 1965 by the government of India with sponsorship of Food and Agriculture Organization and United Nations Development Program. And this is the 18th edition of the forest report, and this is a biennial. It means that it publishes and it is released after every 2 years. So this is brief about the forest survey of India. Now we'll come to the findings part, that what are the findings of the latest forest report. So the finding is that the total forest and tree cover is 8,27,357 square kilometer, which is 25.17% of the geographical area of the country. And the forest cover has an area of about 7,15,034 343 square kilometer, which is 21.76%, whereas the tree cover has an area of 1,12,014 square kilometer, which is 3.41%. So these data are very much important for your prelims examination as well as state PCS examination, because in state PCS there can be questions on the forest report, tree cover. So this is the total number, this is the tree, this is the forest cover, and this is the tree number. And here in terms of percentage, so the total is 25.17% and the forest cover is 21.76% and tree cover is 3.41%. And if we'll talk that whether there is an increase or decrease, so definitely there is increase in forest cover and there is an increase of 1,445 square kilometer in the total forest and tree cover of the country, in which 156 square kilometer increase in the forest cover and 1,289 square kilometer increase in the tree cover. So it means that we had emphasized a lot on the tree cover. So here there is a graph. So if you cannot understand from this, so this is a very simple graph, and in various prelims examination there can be a question related to this, so this would be very easy for you. So this is the forest cover. So here we can see that 7,15,343 square kilometer, tree cover 11,20,014 cover type. So this is the tree cover. So 11,20,014, 71 lakh. Here we can see that 53,043. So this is the forest cover and this is the tree cover. Now we'll come to the major findings. So top 4 states showing maximum increase in forest and tree cover both. So Chhattisgarh has shown the maximum, which is 684 square kilometer, followed by Uttar Pradesh 559 square kilometer, Odisha 559 square kilometer and Rajasthan 394 square kilometer. And top 3 states showing maximum increase in forest cover. So here there is no tree cover, only forest cover. So Mizoram 242 square kilometer, followed by Gujarat 180 square kilometer and Odisha 152 square kilometer. Area wise, top 3 states having the largest forest and tree cover. So it is Madhya Pradesh 85,724 square kilometer, followed by Arunachal Pradesh 67,083 square kilometer and Maharashtra 65,383 square kilometer. So this is the top 4 states which has registered the maximum increase in forest and tree cover: Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha and Rajasthan. And here this is what you can say area wise. So area wise we have Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh and Maharashtra. Now we'll come to the next one, which is about the area wise top 3 states having the largest forest cover. So Madhya Pradesh we had already discussed, Arunachal Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. So in terms of percentage of forest cover with respect to the total geographical area, so here we are discussing about the percentage wise, not area wise. So Lakshadweep 91.33% and Mizoram 85.34% and followed by Andaman and Nicobar Island 81.62%. So percentage wise we have Lakshadweep and area wise we have Madhya Pradesh. And the present assessment also reveals that 19 states and union territories have above 33% of the geographical area under the forest cover. And among all those union territories and states, we have few states who has a forest cover of more than 75%, and these are the states Mizoram, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Tripura and Manipur. So most of the states are from the northeastern part of the country. So now we'll come to the next one, which is about the mangrove cover. So the total mangrove cover is 4,992 square kilometer in the country, and the total growing stock of India's forest and trees outside the forest is estimated as 6,430 million cum, of which 4,479 million cum is inside the forest and 1951 million come outside the forest. So this is about the growing stock of India's forest trees outside forest in, and here we'll discuss about the bamboo bearing area for the country. So the extent of bamboo bearing area of the country has been estimated 1,54,670 square kilometer as compared to the last assessment done in 2021. There is an increase of 5,227 square kilometer in bamboo area, and the total annual potential production of the timber from the trees outside the forest has been estimated as 91.51 million cup. So this is about the mangrove cover, this is about the bamboo bearing areas. So this is very much important, especially the mangrove cover comes in your examination, so do remember this thing. Now we'll come to the next one, which is about the total carbon stock. So in the present assessment, total carbon stock in the country's forest is estimated to be 7,285.5 million tons, which there is an increase of 81.5 million tons in carbon stock of country as compared to the last assessment. Regarding the status on achievement of target under NDC related to the carbon sequestration, the current assessment shows that India's carbon stock has reached to 30.43 billion tons of CO2 equivalent, which indicates that as compared to the base year 2005, India has already reached the 2.29 billion tons of additional carbon sink, and our target is about 2.5 to 3 billion tons by 2030. So what here we can see that we are already achieving our target, and the target is set by 2030, but in 2024 itself we are already achieving the target. So this is very much positive into the India side, that we are doing very well in carbon sequestration and carbon sink. So here comes the few graphs. So this is a revision graph so that you can prepare for your examination. So Indian states largest forest covers by state in India. So we have Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, and this is the area you can see. Then here forest cover percentage by the region. So we have Lakshadweep, Mizoram, Andaman and Nicobar Island. So this is about the forest cover in percentage, and this is about the area wise. So these two graphs are very much important for your examination. Do prepare it well. Now we'll come to the that forest, which state has the highest number of forest coverage. So these are the state which has the more than 75% of the forest coverage. So we have Mizoram, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya. So these are the states which has more than 75% of the forest cover. So here we'll come to the question round. So before going to the question round, I want to make that you have to read the forest report again and again, and you have to watch this video again and again, because there is a data, and datas are very much important for your examination. Sometimes they can ask percentage wise, sometimes they can ask area wise. So you have to prepare your all the data and all the knowledge accordingly. The data wise, at which state has the largest forest cover, then what is the number and what is the percentage of mangrove cover, then which state has registered the loss in forest. And so here you have to decide that what are different types of the forest. So in this session we have quickly tried to revise the overall forest report, and we had tried to highlight the that what are the major findings. So in major findings we already have got that area wise largest, then percentage wise largest, then we had discussed about the carbon sink and carbon sequestration, then carbon stock, then we had already discussed about the timber, then we had discussed about the bamboo bearing area. So these things are very much important for the examination. Here comes to the prelims question. Which state shows the maximum increase in forest and tree cover as compared to the 2021 assessment? Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan. So this is very easy one. You can answer into the comment section. And here comes to another fact, that is there losses we have registered in terms of the forest cover. So there are three kinds of the forest covers we have. We have very dense forest, we have moderately dense forest, and then we have open forest. So in terms of the very dense forest, we had expanded, but in terms of the moderately dense and open forest, we had registered the losses. So this is another fact for your examination. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.